Jabet Maranan, Chairman, Resilient Alumni Organization, and yours truly, Council of Elders. So we confer this to Dr. June Berberari. Kasama po na yan ay ating pong gagamitan si Dr. Chong. Si Dr. John ay isa nating tunay na kapatid. Tau Gamma Phi Resilient Grand Fraternity Batangas City Council Certificate of Recognition. Tau Gamma Phi Resilient Grand Fraternity Batangas City Council hereby confers on to Major Romel Tracho the fraternal status as honorary member for his unwavering support for and assistance in the realization of the fraternity's aims and objectives laid down in the tenets and codes of conduct, thus rendering him true Triskelion in action and spirit. Granted this 21st day of September in the year of the Lord 2008, on the occasion of the Tau Gamma Phi Batangas City 29th Foundation Anniversary Celebration at Sawali Restaurant, Mintangi Baba, Batangas City. Signed, Brother Jabet Maranan, Chairman, Resilient Alumni Organization, Carlit Visa, Council of Elders. So, hingan muna natin ang kaunting pananalita. Unahin natin si Dr. June.